Yo, what's going on, guys? It's me, Miranda, and today we're going to be doing some DIY yard work. Now, where I moved in, they said we can kind of have free terrain up into, like, the garden bed area. Now, there's not much there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rip out that plant that I just showed you. I'm also going to trim up this plant by my bathroom window. It keeps scratching on it, and I might even tear it up. It's like a tree-looking thing. I don't know what it is. But I did buy, let me actually show you my haul of what we're going to be planting and hoping to grow from seeds. So, we actually didn't have a garden hose, so I got that. And then I got all this, and I got this. I don't know how to pronounce it, but big note. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not even try. So we got that. And then I got some snapdragons on clearance. And we got these flowers. I also got some screws to fix my screen door. It keeps slamming shut, so I think it's because it's missing a couple screws. So without further ado, I'm going to crack right in. We're going to do the easier stuff first, save the harder stuff for last. But we're also going to play around with the drone a little bit today, too, and see what kind of cool angles we can get. So let's dive in. so this is kind of like my finished product with Snapdragon and the begonias. I think it turned out pretty well. We'll see how they grow. Wish there wasn't rock there, but I'm actually going to start planting on the other side of the house, so hopefully we won't have the issues. So guys, if you enjoyed it, if you have any gardening tips for me, please let me know. Hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.